Do they like the squeaky toy?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Where's Blue? Oh, he's on my lap.
Here, show me. I have a video camera.
Which one?
I don't know. Whoever you're holding. Who's that?
This one's purple.
Let me see. Okay, turn her around to me. Okay. Okay, grab somebody new.
There's green.
Green. Liz. Alright, who's next?
Red.
I can't see. There you go. Okay. Why, they're getting heavy?
Yeah. Orange.
Okay. Purple doesn't have it. That's blue. Purple. Oh, didn't you already show blue? Oh, no. Okay. Purple's crowned by your side, I think.
No, that's green. Here's pink.
What's your face? They don't look like they're smiling, but they're all act so happy. So, did you do purple?
Mm-hmm.
You did? Right here?
Yeah,
Are you purple?
green.
Oh, it's green. Orange was barking like crazy today.
That's purple.
Purple's killing that, whatever that is, frog thing. So, that's purple, and then right next to your leg is, who's at the itching? Blue. And then,
Green.
okay.
Red.
Red.
Orange.
Orange. Mr. Friendly. Or, of course,
Oh, there's
pink and orange are on Jack, the greeters. And then, that's red. Girl, getting to be big.